Understanding not a day over in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English expressions. Today, we're diving into a unique and often used phrase, not a day over. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means and how to use it correctly, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The phrase, not a day over, is used to compliment someone by saying they look younger than their actual age. For example, if someone is 50 years old, and you say they look, not a day over 40, it means they appear to be at least 10 years younger than they are. This expression is often used in casual conversations and is a polite way to comment on someone's youthful appearance. While the exact origins of this phrase are unclear, it has been a part of English colloquial speech for many years. It's a hyperbolic way of speaking, meaning it exaggerates for effect. In reality, it's unlikely someone looks exactly 10 years younger, but it's a form of flattery. This phrase is commonly used in social settings, during birthdays, reunions, or casual meetups. Let's look at a few examples to understand how to use this phrase. 1. At a birthday party, happy 60th birthday, John. You don't look a day over 45. 2. At a high school reunion, is that Mary? She hasn't aged a bit, not a day over 35. 3. In a casual conversation, I can't believe you're a grandmother now. You look not a day over 30. These examples show how the phrase is used to compliment someone's appearance in different social situations. While it's meant as a compliment, be mindful of cultural differences and personal preferences. In some cultures or to some individuals, discussing age might be sensitive. Always consider the context and your relationship with the person before using this phrase. That's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, not a day over. We hope this video helps you understand and use this expression confidently in your English conversations. Remember, it's a charming way to compliment someone, but always be sensitive to the context. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.